WilderWorld is doing what Bored Ape Yacht Club hasn't been able to do, creating an actual metaverse. Are they a dying project or just stumbling to success? That is left to be seen. Bored Apes were at their peak when they launched their ApeCoin and other deeds. But since then, it has been nothing but a long line of false promises, constant disappointment, and bad decisions, which for many has led to the biggest disappointment ever in the Web3 space. Is all hope lost? The apes are struggling to do it. Does that mean that no one else can? Well, it's of my opinion that one project's misfortune is another project's opportunity. If this is your first time at my channel, please take the time to subscribe while I bring you the latest of WilderWorld, Zero, and MEOW Chain. Let's go over how WilderWorld has seized this opportunity and review what they've been up to for the past couple of years. And I'll let you decide how they've utilized their time and limited resources compared to the $430 million that the Bored Apes have been able to utilize in order to build their metaverse, the Otherside. WilderWorld has increased their use of social media platforms to grow their community, a large effort recently done with the Odyssey. They have been incentivizing many to come take a look at WilderWorld and rewarding them with a wild airdrop. Over the last month, we've seen a huge increase in followers across each one of their different platforms. WilderWorld has been promoting use and earn models to attract players interested in earning Wild and MEOW through WilderWorld Alpha and Zero Messenger. In addition, the community team has been running events where you can also earn Wild and NFTs through participating. Since January of 2024, WilderWorld has really done a great job collaborating with Web3 influencers to reach a wider audience, as well as partnering with other Web3 projects for joint campaigns and exclusive content. Here's a current list of those partnerships. Each partnership has carefully been selected with a purpose to bring the project closer to the reality of releasing an actual metaverse and technological solutions and user-based onboarding ease for the average consumer. Each one has a purpose to bring WilderWorld to everyone and have everything needed for the best experience possible. A couple of those major partnerships is with Polygon and Celestia. It isn't really a sexy partnership to most, but it is one that creates the fundamental network needed in order to run an actual metaverse, handling hundreds of thousands, if not millions of transactions daily. A fully operating metaverse will have billions of assets being utilized by millions of users. WilderWorld is consistently hosting virtual events, tournaments, and interactive experiences with their community. Currently, we are in the third Wheels Arcade. Weekly, they have team and community-led events. The team just finished up their efforts at GameCon 2024, and they couldn't be more excited for the future ahead. Previously, they were at Miami, New York, and Austin, showing off their products at different conferences. From the beginning, the vision has been to build the project with this vision: products that embrace sovereignty, security, decentralization, censorship resistant, and open sourced. They have hosted multiple AMAs and most importantly, have published monthly devlogs to keep the community informed and to show everybody the progress that they have made along the roadmap set out at the start of this year. WilderWorld stands firm on the importance of digital ownership and the ability to buy, trade, and sell all in-game assets. Very soon, the WilderWorld Metaverse Marketplace will be released, enhancing one's ability to buy, sell, and trade project assets, as well as other partnering project assets. This was first hinted at during the announcement of their partnership with Superverse. The team has been promoting privacy-focused features and giving users control over their data. Zero ID is in the works, built on the ZNS protocol and providing a unique identifier. In addition to an ID, it is usable as a phone number as well as a personal bank account. A time soon approaches where you have full control over everything sacred in your life. The team has been sharing blockchain analytics to track engagement and refine strategies. The user base on Zero Messenger has increased beautifully, as well as the number of multiplayer races within WilderWorld Alpha. Monthly, the team reaches out for continuous feedback from the community in order to gather community input. If one wishes, one can participate in a variety of opportunities found within WilderWorld, Zero, and MEOW Chain. All their products currently are free to use, but there are other options that you can speculate on and choose to explore if you so wish. Here is a list of those opportunities. The Bored Ape Yacht Club did an incredible job with getting attention, influence, and a heightened sense of speculation that they could never do anything wrong. but in the latest years, they have not been able to deliver a product that the community is excited about. As many would say, they marketed incredibly well, but they haven't been able to deliver the product that they were marketing for. WILDER World has taken an opposite approach. They have really taken the last 2 years in order to build the technologies, processes, and procedures needed in order to realize an actual workable metaverse. And now that they have a functioning product, they are taking a lot more time to build trust within the community, keep the commitments they've made to themselves as well as to all Wilders, and deliver and bring more attention to the project. In many ways, WILDER World is trailblazing new ways to build and market a metaverse, and they are definitely a project that you should keep your eyes on. So if you don't want to miss a thing, remember, subscribe to this channel and I'll make sure to bring you the latest and greatest from each one of these 3 projects.